So today we'll be showing you how to upgrade an old plug socket. The tools I use were a drill, a tester, screwdriver, box cutter, pliers, and some electric tape. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to go into your circuit and just turn off the breaker. Then we're going to go and check, make sure there's no current running through, and as you can see, there's nothing. I always check both just in case they have different power sources here. So I'm using my drill. I'm unscrewing it from the box there. And once that's unscrewed, I can just pull it out. And you can see the wires. The socket is wrapped in electrical tape, so I'm just going to remove that the existing electrical tape over there. So at least I can have a better view of the wires. So now you're going to unscrew the wires there from the socket. And usually you just want to make sure that you're keeping an eye on which wire goes with what. Okay, because it's just going to be a simple replace here. So we're taking them out, making sure the top one I leave on top. Same thing with the bottom one. And we're going to do the same thing with the other side. And just use the pliers to remove it, just like with the positive wires. So this is what the new one looks like. So you want to make sure that you have that side the negative and the darker side with the positive. And you just want to replace the wires and screw them right back in. You know, make sure it's nice and snug. You don't want the wires loose in there. And then once you're done with the positive side, you want to move on over to the other side and do the white wires. So when you're done the positive, you're done the negative, then you want to go in and just attach the ground over to the socket. And that's just me connecting the ground. And just making sure it's firmly attached over there. Now the way that I was taught was to use electrical tape after you're done. So that's what I'm doing there, just using some electrical tape as a bit of safety. And you just want to make sure it's wrapped firmly around the wires there. Once you're done, we're just going to put it back in place. We're going to screw in the socket into the electrical box. And you want to just make sure it's a bit straight, so you want to adjust it accordingly. Make sure it's not crooked when you seal it in, and tighten it. And after you're done, you want to go back to the circuit breaker, turn that back on, and we're going to use our tester. So you can see the one I have, it tells you the different readings that it can show. Okay, so you want to make sure you're having the two orange lights on the right side. As you can see, it has been configured properly. And then you just want to check the top as well. And that looks great. Thanks for watching.